Alright, let's look at the practice exam 2, problem number 5, part B. Alright, so looks like we have two things multiplied together, and so I'm gonna call this guy first guy, and I call this guy second guy. Right, and it looks like within the product rule, we probably have to use the chain rule. Alright, so let's do that. So this is going to be equal to, right, derivative of the first guy is put 2 in front and keep the same inside function, so 2x minus 3, and raise it to the subtract 1 from the power, so it's going to be 1, so I'm not going to write that. Multiply by derivative of inside, which is going to be 2, right? Derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of negative 3 is 0, right? And multiply by the second guy, so I'm just going through the product rule. So x squared plus 1 cubed plus, right, first guy, so just copy 2x minus 3 quantity squared, multiply by derivative of the second guy, so we put 3 in front, then same quantity x squared plus 1, and subtract 1 from the power, so it's 2, right? Then multiply by derivative of inside, which is 2x, right? So derivative is finished, so let's simplify a little bit. So this is going to be equal to, right, let's try to pull out as many common factors as possible. Right, so first is we can pull out that 2, right? So 2 is right here, and 2 is there. So I put 2 in front. And we have, let's see, 2x plus 3. So we have 2x plus 3 here. And there are actually 2 of them in the second term, so I'll just circle this so that I know that there's another 2x minus 3. So we have 2x minus 3, right? Then we look for more common factors. Looks like we have x squared plus 1 squared, and the first term has 3 of them. So I'll just circle that, so I know that there's another x squared plus 1. So we have quantity x squared plus 1 squared. All right, then let's see, I think looks like that's the only common factors, so I'm gonna just those are the only common factors. All right, so I'm gonna just collect the leftover terms, so be sure to distribute 2 to both terms here and there, so you will get 2x squared plus 2, right? So we took care of everyone there, and so that's it for the first term. All right, then you have what's left over is make sure to distribute 3x, so combine those two, 3x, and distribute to 2x and negative 3. All right, so 3x times 2x would be 6x squared, and 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. Right, so those are the leftover terms, so that's taken care of, and that's taken care of, so everyone's taken care of. Alright, so then let's clean up a bit, just collecting like terms. So you have a 2 and 2x minus 3, and the quantity x squared plus 1 squared. Right, then we collect the like terms, so 2x squared and 6x squared. So that would be 8x squared, right? Then we have negative 9x, so we put that in, negative 9x. And then last term is a constant term, plus 2. Right? So that's the derivative for part B. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.